Hello guys, this is Angie. I'm here again and wanna share with you my recipe today, a simple one again. So yeah, it's pasta with ground minced pork, and this is my recipe today. Pasta with minced pork. So this one is very easy, and all the ingredients here inside this video you can see, and all my process or the steps to do this, guys, you can see inside the video. So yeah, let's go inside the kitchen and start to do the recipe or to cook, right guys? So this is really good because when your night is busy and you have pasta inside your kitchen and some few ingredients, it's not really necessarily you have a so much ingredients with a pasta. You know, it's up to you how to do your meal and your imagination, the taste you want, and you can survive to make. And this one is so easy to do, a simple recipe. Yeah, and as long as you have a pasta that you're will not run out of pasta inside your kitchen, because this is the so quick to do or to prepare for meal, guys. And yeah, so under the description box below I write down the full recipe of mine, and feel free to uh, write comments down below so that I know also your reaction with this my video or recipe, guys. So yeah, that's it. And shout out also to all my subscribers. Appreciate all your support here, and thank you so much, guys, to everyone. Yeah, and what else I can say? Then please drop join, and if you want to support this channel, just click my channel link below, guys, or the membership channel membership under the description box below. And considering to subscribe, drop a like, then write comment down below, and don't forget to click all and the notification bell so that when I uploading new video or videos, you will be notified, guys, for a new video from me. Yeah, so and yeah, so thank you very much, guys, and please share also my videos, guys, and thank you. And yeah, so I end here my video, and hope you like this food blog again today. And yeah, always stay kind and have a great day, guys. So yeah, this is Angie, and next vlog, see you again, guys. So yeah, bye.